Hi guys, my name is Erin and I'll be bringing you through a day in my life as a Tufts PA student. I usually wake up around 6 after a couple of snoozed alarms, make my coffee and pack my lunch before I start making my way towards campus. I got there on the earlier side today so I could get a little workout in before classes start. Had a nice run through the commons before making my way back and using the locker room to get ready for the day. Had a quick hello with my advisor, Rainey, ate breakfast, and reviewed some notes before I went into OB cases. This is a really neat way for us to apply the material we learned earlier in the week in small group setting. And then had a quick little snack break with my friend Anita before procedures lab. So Thursdays do look a little bit different because we have the OB cases and procedures lab. So not necessarily in the classroom all morning, but this is an awesome way for us to get hands-on learning experience. And right after that, had my lunch break where I always rely on my meal prep. Had a nice little stroll with my friends Peyton and Gracie before we sat down in the classroom for the afternoon with a guest lecturer on pediatric cardiology, which is very interesting. Studied for a couple of hours before I met my boyfriend for a nice dinner on the Charles River. Headed back home, did a bit more studying, and called it a night after that. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.